Good morning, friends. This is Guru, the alchemist from MyBillion.in. Today it's 15th September 2022. With the last 2 days of high volatility, today market might again range to kill the premiums. Hope people remember my podcast in August as well as very recently. I told 18,108 as the junction from where Nifty can choose to go upside or downside. It's not a terminus, it's a junction, right? So last 2 days it made just 18,108, and then day first it cracked big, and yesterday it just retraced. Okay. One good thing, yesterday it made a higher high and higher low. As per Dow theory, Nifty is in still bullish territory. Day yesterday's high for Nifty spot was 18,088, and yesterday's high was 18,091 with reference to spot. Even as Nifty future didn't make higher high, Nifty spot made higher high as well as it made lower low. Had given buy call for Nifty near 17,781 with 5 to 10 point stop loss. And yesterday Nifty opened gap down, opened at 17,771. It made open low and literally zero stop loss and returned 300 plus points. Expiries are always tough to forecast. Today it's Bank Nifty weekly expiry. So usually other days it's global cues, Asian market cues, free market, SJX. This gives some kind of hint. Where the Nifty can open, go out. These things it can tell. Expiry is a tougher day to forecast. The people's positions, option positions. That's what decides Thursday. If you remember a few weeks back, SGX crashed, Nasdaq crashed, Dow Jones crashed, SPX crashed. Everywhere it was negative, but Nifty ended up going up like almost 150, 200 points on expiry because biggies had bullish bias. Okay, they don't have time to exit, or they don't have time to manipulate data. So it just shot up and went up by 200 points. So expiry dynamics are totally different from other days. This you should remember. Also remember, expiries are the day when all people want to dump rotten tomatoes, which are options that cannot be carried forward to the next day. All the options become zero, of course, with reference to the premium, right? So if you buy something today, mostly that's for rotten, right? So be careful in buy. Choose wisely, trade responsibly. Don't put your capital to trade today. One tip I'll tell you: when you trade options, look at the highly committed options. Also, how do we identify whether the market is in bullish territory or bearish territory? Look at the committed options. Committed options, where the most volume is there. I'm not talking about the why, I am talking about the volume. So when the Bank Nifty was crashing from 41,800 odd to 32,000, almost 9,000 plus points, you would have seen puts had more volume compared to the calls. Okay, so that means the people are expecting market to crash. So this dynamics might change in between, but overall the puts had most OI and puts had most volume also. Now from 33,300 odd, when the market reversal is happening, it is calls that have most volume. You can check this data. Go to historical data or SJ's, your terminal. Look at 41,000 call and 42,000 put. Both are similar price, right? So look at these strike prices. 41,000 call will be having a volume of 10 crore 60 lakhs odd, whereas 42,000 put will be having a volume of 32 lakh, volume. So people make big money in 41,000 call, and people who are wrong, they lose big money in 41,000 call. So 41,000 call is the deciding option. Today, if you just track 41,000 call, note on this number 292. Okay, you can take risk 292 levels and then 292 into 0.648 and then 292 into 0.114, that comes around 33 levels. Okay, if 41,000 call comes to 292, it can give good return. Okay, 292 into 0.884, around 268 odd, with least stop loss it can give good return. If it goes to 33 rupees, from 33 rupees it can become even 300 to 600. Okay, it happened in the past with 37,300 call. Okay, literally identical pattern in February 22, I think. I forgot the week. So it's a fractal. 41,000 call, if at all, if it drops to 33 rupees, can be a hero year zero. Note on this. Okay, the critical support for Nifty to bounce back are 17,985.90. That's a immediate support. Then 17,935.15. That's second. Third is 17,888.30. These three numbers are very critical. Nifty can gap down, again do a open low, and then shoot up. So if at all you are taking risk, note on these three numbers and take risk, and you will be rewarded the best possible way. Hope I added value to you today. Please do subscribe to the video, press the subscribe button, press the bell button, so you get the notifications whenever I go online. Thank you.